In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write good AI prompts. We'll use Notion AI to walk through the process, keeping things practical and clear so you can start getting better results right away. Begin by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you don't already have an account, you can create one, but most people will simply log in. Look for the login option on the homepage. To keep things quick, choose the Google sign-in option when prompted, then select your Google account to continue. This is just a convenient single sign-on method. Once you're in, you'll land inside your Notion workspace. From there, open Notion AI. You might see it in your sidebar or at the bottom of a page. This is the space where you'll compose and refine your prompts. Before you type anything, take a moment to think through what you're asking the AI to do. A strong prompt usually includes four elements: a clear role, a specific task, sensible constraints, and an explicit output format. The role tells the AI who to be, which helps it select the right tone and knowledge. The task states exactly what you want done. Constraints set boundaries like tone, length, audience, or must include details. The output format tells the AI how to present the result, such as a paragraph, a list, or a table. For example, you might think, act as a product marketer. Task, write a short announcement about a new feature. Constraints, friendly, non-technical language, 150, 180 words. Highlight benefits over features. Output, a single paragraph. Now type your prompt into Notion AI. Include any essential context the model needs to be accurate, like who the audience is or where the content will be used. Keep sentences straightforward, avoid ambiguity, and prefer concrete details over generalities. Here's a sample structure you can follow as you type. You are a role. Write a specific task for audience with constraints on tone, length, must include points. Output as format. A well-formed prompt like this makes it far easier for the AI to deliver what you actually need on the first try. When you're satisfied with your prompt and results, click Save to Private Pages. This keeps your work organized and easy to revisit, which is especially helpful when you discover a prompt that consistently performs well. Saving also lets you track small improvements over time so you can reuse, adapt, and refine without starting from scratch. That's it. By logging into Notion, opening Notion AI, planning your prompt with role, task, constraints, and format, then typing and saving it, you'll create clearer instructions and get far better outcomes every time.